Window robot. For $350, this robot makes window cleaning easier. It's lightweight, under 2 kilograms, and has a slim 27-centimeter width. Despite its small size, it's effective in cleaning areas up to 20 square meters. Users can choose from 3 cleaning modes or control the robot using their smartphone. A full battery gives it about 30 minutes of cleaning time. You can buy this robot for music. Swiss Rig Brassen. If you're an iPhone user who films videos often, consider the Swiss Rig Brassen. It turns your iPhone into a professional camera. This gadget includes a built-in joystick, a multifunction button, and microphone ports. The creators provide various options for condenser microphones. Its design also ensures a comfortable grip. The basic Swiss Rig Brassen kit costs $1,275. 3D Maker Pro has made a significant impact in this field.